Hello, it's Dr. Harim again. Uh, Today I'll try to focus on another aspect of the gingival disease, which is gingival disease in childhood. So I'll try to be brief in each subject to be understandable and not boring subject. So I focused on 5 points in the gingival disease in childhood. One of them is changes that are associated with normal development. You know that there's a physiological conditions like tooth eruption, ankylosed teeth, or primary tooth exfoliation. These are physiological changes which sometimes may be misleaded with the gingival diseases. So we'll try to explain what's happening in what periodontal change will happen with the normal development. One of them is tooth eruption. We know that before eruption of a primary or permanent tooth, the gingiva reveals a bulge that's firm and pink or blanched because of the underlying tooth crown. So occasionally an eruption cyst, which may be filled with the blood and generally present a bluish or deep red enlargement of gingiva that's overlying the tooth, may be evident, like that you see it here, for example. The most common sites are the primary lower incisor and the permanent first molar, and most of them are resolving without anything. But if it will interfere with occlusion, you may face, or the child may face, pain. And as the tooth erupt, the gingival margin and the sulcus develop. At this point, the margin is rounded, edematous, and reddened. During the period of active tooth eruption, it's normal for the marginal gingiva surrounding the partially erupted teeth to appear prominent. This is most evident in the maxillary anterior region. The prominence is caused by the height of contour of the erupting tooth and mild inflammation from mastication. So it is something physiological. You shouldn't consider that as a gingival disease. But poor oral hygiene can contribute to the development of a significant gingivitis in unprotected gingiva. So, from the early childhood, the oral hygiene care should be considered. Well, in ankylosed teeth, external trauma, occlusal trauma, or developmental disturbances may result in the ankylosis of primary teeth, and occasionally of permanent teeth actually. These teeth appear to be intruded or sunken relative to adjacent teeth. Ankylosed primary teeth may interfere with the alveolar bone growth around erupting permanent teeth and may prevent or delay their timely emergence into the oral cavity. Ankylosis of primary first molar often resolve spontaneously as the succeeding premolars will erupt. However, a significant number of ankylosed second primary molar will prevent the eruption of the underlying premolar and should be managed appropriately before the completion of full development of the premolars. While in case of primary tooth exfoliation, like tooth eruption, the process of tooth exfoliation involves change in the periodontium. The depth of the gingival sulcus increase as the junctional epithelium migrate down the resorbing root of the exfoliating teeth. During this process, there may be a change in the permeability and integrity of the junctional epithelium, making the exfoliating tooth more susceptible to inflammation. Normal functional occlusal force may traumatize the remaining supporting periodontal tissue of an exfoliating primary tooth. or the permanent tooth also. During the process of exfoliation, teeth may change position, possibly leading to change in the occlusion, because there is movement, there's continuous movement. So there may be a change in the periodontal ligament, stretching, and there's a bone remodeling. So, as we said, during the process of exfoliation, change in position possibly lead to change in occlusion, and malalignment caused by spacing and changes in skeletal relationship related to erupting teeth also may contribute to significant trauma of periodontal structure. So these changes are important to be considered during the observation of the child teeth. As you see here, for example, there's a flattening of interseptal bone, but it's normal physiological condition. This is related here. You may see an angular bone loss, but it's normal physiological condition for coming of the successors of the primary teeth. So I'll try to be short in each lecture to be more short and understandable and not boring. Thank you for your listening, and this is at the end of this part of childhood changes of the periodontium and periodontal diseases.